right, good morning for this beautiful Monday, March 16th, 2015. We are looking at the YM, the E-Mini Dow futures contract. This is Todd Mitchell, and I have a position on, and I want to tape record this a little bit here. Look, I am long. The market opened up considerably higher, ran up in the first 3 minutes, had that feeling here that the market was going to continue moving higher. We had an opening thrust move to the upside, bought this right here, up $900 right now, up $1,100 now. We just broke through the high. We are moving even higher yet. Look at this. What I'm going to do is okay, let's take this off and show you exactly what I'm doing. So I am long 10 E-Mini Dow futures contract right in here, up $1,100. I'm going to go ahead and take just 5 off and leave 5 on and see how much I can milk out of the remaining 5. So I'm going to take off 5 here, lock in, let's see what I get here. There we go. We locked in $500 here in the first literally 14 minutes of trading. The market's really moving higher now. We're up $12.75 in this trade, $13.25. Market's really running. So I've got 5 left. Okay, we took half the position off, and now we're going to trail this. So as you can see, this bar right here, this candlestick bar, is the bar that broke through the high of the day. Pretty nice looking range here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that stop up to below the low of this bar right in here, so we lock in profits on the remaining 5. So that stop's going to be at 1787. Let me pause the video and put that stop in place, the trailing stop. All right, as you can see, I've got my sell stop order right in here. Look at this. Market continues to move higher. Love it. Always good to start off a Monday morning with a trade like this. Again, market has been open for 20 minutes. Put this trade on in the first 2 minutes of trading right in here. Look at this thing. Market's got some steam here. We are moving. And we're below this bar. This is what I like to call an expanded range vertical bar. It's by far the largest bar in the whole day, right? So we've got, I'm going to go ahead and probably even move this up even higher to slightly below the mid-range of this bar that we're currently on. Let me just take that here. I'll show you how I move. All right, so I'm going to take this and move it. So you can see how I can move that. Look at that. Moves it up. Let's move it up even further. See? Let's see. We're moving it higher as the market moves higher, just slightly. See how I'm doing that? I'm just clicking on it. I'm not canceling it, but I'm dragging it up a little bit. Look at this. See, we are slightly below the mid-range of the prior price bar. I'm going to go ahead and move it up a little higher. Since the current bar that we're on took out the prior high, I'm going to go ahead and move it up even more. All right, let's go ahead and just move this up right in here now. So we are up $2,300 in this trade. We've locked in $500, and I'm going to see how far this can go. I'm going to move it up even further. Here we go. So now we're in the top 3/4 of the price bar. Again, this has got momentum behind it. Nice thrust up move, and that's what I like to see. And we're going to be patient with this. We're going to see where the market closes on this vertical bar. Now remember, these are 3-minute bars. I like to personally use 3-minute bars. Of course, you can use a 5-minute. I think a 1-minute chart tends to be a little quick. So I like to go in between that 1 and 5. So I've always used a 3-minute bar for my main chart in terms of executing my day trades off of. So I'm going to go ahead and move this up just a couple ticks here, even further here. All right. So I'm going to pause the video so it's not too long. All right, what I've done is I've moved my sell stop, my trailing sell stop, directly below the prior bar's low, the prior candle, right in here. Okay, so I'm sitting there, and if the market busts up through the high of the day again, I will take that and I will move that up even further. But for now, I'm going to leave that here, locking in quite a bit of profit here. So let's see what happens. I'm going to pause the video. I'll be back soon. All right, I am back. The market is completely consolidating, and I wasn't aware that, but I got an interview in about 2 minutes, so I have to go. So I've got to close this position out because I do not have time to record the rest of it. So let me just exit the rest at the market. Let me show you here. Place market order. All right. We're going to sell 5. There we go. So here we go. All right. So there you go. We made $22.50 today. And I'm getting called right now, so I've got to go. 22.50. I'm all screwed up. I'm sorry. Someone's trying to call me through Skype right now. $22.50 in profits. As you can see right in here. Have a great day. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye.